This is the Caspian Sea Monster, officially Korabl Maket, Russian experimental craft, also known as the Caspian Monster, was an experimental ground effect vehicle or Ekranoplan, a craft that flies, but stays close to the surface so it can rely on the ground effect. It was developed at the Design Bureau of Rostislav Alexeyev. The Chem was designed in 1960 for 1965, and was unique in size and payload. The first photographs from American spy satellite showed a strange aircraft carrying letters Chem on its fuselage. CIA disambiguates it as Caspian Monster, while it actually meant Korabl Maket prototype ship in Russian. The chief designer for this aircraft was Rostislav Alexeyev and the lead engineer was V.F.M.O. The Ekranoplan had wingspan of 37.6 m, length 90 m, maximum takeoff weight 540 per tons, until the end 225. It was the largest aircraft in the world. It was designed to fly at an altitude of 5-10 meters to use the ground effect. Chem was designed as a special vehicle for the military and rescue teams. However, designing such a machine caused serious difficulties. It was documented as a marine vessel, and prior to the first flight, a bottle of champagne was broken against its nose. It displayed the Soviet Navy flag and was assigned to the Soviet Navy, since the ground effect is only possible within several meters from the surface. The new vehicle was, however, piloted by Air Force test pilots. Chem testing started in 1966 at the Caspian Sea near Kaspian, Dagestan. First flight was performed by V.Lajanov and Rostislav Alexeyev himself, which was very unusual. Most Soviet aircraft designers never piloted their own creations. All works were conducted under patronage of the Ministry of Shipbuilding Industry. The Chem was determined to have an optimum fuel-efficient cruising speed of 430 km/h, 267 mph, 230 knots, and a maximum operational speed of 500 km/h, 311 mph, 270 knots. Maximum speed achieved was 650 km/h, 400 mph, 350 knots, although some sources claim up to 740 km/h, 460 mph, 400 knots.